Hi everyone, welcome back. Alyssa here, and today we are going to be talking about Ningxia Red drink. Now, a lot of people have been talking about this over the last couple of months, and I apologize. I don't remember where I first heard it from, or I would gladly give you credit, but I've heard it in so many different places. We all have our different take on it. I honestly have loved the one that I originally heard about, so that's the one that I'm going to share with you today. And I am also going to show you how you can give the gift of wellness. Hi everyone, welcome back. Alyssa here, and today we are going to be talking about Ningxia Red drink. Now, a lot of people have been talking about this over the last couple of months, and I apologize. I don't remember where I first heard it from, or I would gladly give you credit, but I've heard it in so many different places. We all have our different take on it. I honestly have loved the one that I originally heard about, so that's the one that I'm going to share with you today. And I am also going to show you how you can give the gift of wellness. First off, we have Ningxia Red. Ningxia Red is rich in calcium, 18 amino acids, 21 minerals, beta carotene, vitamins B1, B2, B6, and vitamin E. It is also high in antioxidants. I'm sure you've probably heard a lot of people, they talk about how they ate 75 pounds of blueberries and 34 broccoli florets and 70 some pounds of spinach or whatever. And then they go, just kidding, I drink 2 ounces of Ningxia Red. Well, that's what this is. Ningxia Red is that antioxidant boost, which is great for your immune system. It helps keep you above the line of wellness because every day we need on average 8,000 to 11,000 antioxidants just to stay above the line of wellness. Every 2 ounces that you drink of Ningxia Red, it gives your body 3,000 antioxidants in just these 2 ounces. So I know a lot of us, we try to do our best. We try to eat as healthy as we can, get in all those fruits and veggies and everything else that we need. Well, unfortunately, with a lot of the choices that we have as far as food available to us, it's hard to do that. This helps fill that gap. So even though you're drinking your smoothies or eating your fruits and veggies at every meal and your snacks throughout the day and everything, our diets are still lacking. But with this, we can help fill that gap. So Ningxia Red is great for a lot of different things. Vitamins, minerals, beta carotene. It's just packed full of everything that is good for us and helps us stay above that line of wellness. Okay, so Ningxia Red. So next we have Lyme Vitality. So Lyme Vitality is a bioflavable oil, and what this does is it helps decongest your lymphatic systems. So the water we drink, the air that we breathe outside, all of those things have other components in them that are harmful to our bodies. So what this does is it helps your body work through all of that and help it get out of your system when you can't always have the zero water or the reverse osmosis, which everybody should. I don't have it yet, so I do what I can to help in those situations and keep my body above the line of wellness. So every day I add 3 drops of this. You can see my water bottle over here, if I could point to it. You can see my water bottle over here. That has my red drink in it. So I drink that every morning, sometimes in the afternoon as well, just depending on how my day is going. I've got 2 boys in school. They're always bringing home the bugs. We do what we can to stay above that line of wellness and live at our best. So Lyme Vitality, bioflavables, helps decongest the lymphatic system. Okay. Sulferzyme powder. This comes in powder and capsules. I personally like the powder because it has a little bit more to it. I can do another video kind of describing the differences between the two, but I like the powder. I add it to my red drink, ½ teaspoon every time I make it. It's sweet, it's yummy. It helped me kick my coffee habit and helped me detox sugar when I was kicking the coffee habit because I was putting way too much creamer in my coffee. That's not good for anybody. So Sulferzyme here. Sulferzyme is a unique combination of MSM, and This is the protein that's found in breast milk. It's found in fruits and veggies. It's found in the Ningxia wolfberry. Together, they help balance the immune system. So our bodies need sulfur. This is not to be confused with sulfa. Sulfur is what our bodies need. It's what helps them heal and repair. Helps your hair grow, helps your nails grow, helps your skin look clear and beautiful. It's good for all the things. Powder or capsules, Sulferzyme, okay? Half teaspoon in my red drink every day. Okay, now what you can do, because I talked about at the beginning of the video and how you can give the gift of wellness. So if you've got any of those little foil packs, I couldn't find any of mine, but I do have empty little Ziploc bags. So put your half teaspoon of your Sulferzyme in there, okay? Fold it up, get these little organza bags, okay? Put it inside there, okay? Got your Sulferzyme. Get your friends and family a bottle of Lyme Vitality, put it in there. Get the 30 count packs of the Ningxia Red. Go ahead and, if you can, I would probably get the 5x7 organza bags if you can, because then you can get all of this in it and it'll look cute, you know, all tied together there with your bottle. So you've got all that in there, okay? Then, if like me, you've been drinking Ningxia Red for a while, you probably have some of these bottles lying around. I've seen some people, they do the no cut and they turn these into drinking glasses in their house. You can take the bottom of the thing off, you can cut it, you know, right about here, put the bottom on the top, turn it into a wine glass, lots of fun different things you can do. Or you can take your organza bag around one of the empty ones here, tie it on, put it under your tree, and give the gift of wellness to your friends and family. Explain to them what it is, what it's going to do for their bodies, how it's going to help them, and how it's going to help them live above the line of wellness. Add all of this to your empty bottle, fill it up with water, drink it every morning, every afternoon. They're going to be staying above the line of wellness. It's yummy, tastes great, and you're doing something good for your body and your friends and family. So they're going to love and thank you for it, okay? So, any questions, any comments, anything like that? Great. If you do, pop them below in the comments. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you heard today. If you have any questions, want any more information on any of the things that I talked about today, don't hesitate to ask. I'm always happy to answer questions. And thank you so much for watching. Check out my next video. I will have it linked up here for you. And thank you so much. Have a great day. I'll talk to you guys soon. Mwah. Thanks. Bye.